Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling reminders to start and end workouts on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Having this setting enabled is a helpful way to make sure that you remember to start and end your workouts. It's super annoying to be 10 minutes into a walk and realize that you forgot to start recording it on your watch. This setting helps to avoid these annoying situations. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap workout. Then scroll down and tap the toggle to the right of Start Workout Reminder. The watch can detect that you are working out and remind you to start a workout when you are running, walking, swimming, cycling, on the crosstrainer or rowing machine. When the toggle is green, workout reminders are enabled. When grey, they are not. Scroll down and tap the toggle to the right of End Workout Reminder to enable or disable End Workout Reminders. With this setting enabled, your watch will remind you to stop your workout if you appear to have stopped. When the toggle is green, the setting is enabled, and when grey, it is not. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.